Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be going over chapter 11 of the Builder's Guide to Accounting. If you guys have any questions, please text the number above. And if you guys want to join the WhatsApp group, please message that number as well. If you guys are interested in joining the course, the link is down below. I teach you guys everything you guys need to know for the Builder's Guide to Accounting to pass the exam. I also go over the math you need to know for the exam. So yeah, I hope you guys like today's video. Let's get into it. Okay, chapter 11. Labor is the largest and most variable cost in building. And then I have these highlighted right here, those bullet points. 4 ways to keep separate payroll records. Pay a bank or an independent data service center to prepare the payroll and provide backup reports. Issue payroll checks from the one general account and from the same check series. Checks in this account must be designed to handle payroll stub deductions. Use the general account for both payroll and other payments, but use a special style of check with its own numbering system for payroll. Enter payroll on the check register in the summary form. Set up a separate payroll account with its own check style used only for payroll. Nothing there. Nothing there. Accounting for tax liabilities. Okay, figure 1110 shows that a flow of funds through clearing accounts such as payroll taxes withheld on a gross payroll of $5,000. Withholding taxes are $1,521 for the current month. This amount includes the tax liability on behalf of the employees. Okay, this is an important section. This is also inside the contractor's manual as well, so we can go through it real quick. The federal government publishes several forms for payroll taxes. Be familiar with each of them and know how they apply to you. Form W-4 is the employer's withhold allowing certificate. Anytime there's a change in marital status, number of exemptions, or addresses, make sure the employee completes a new W-4. File Form W-2 wage and tax statement every January for each employee. That's important right there. Copy A. To the Social Security Administration, the W-2s for all employees are summarized on Form W-3. Transmittal of income and tax statements. Copy B. To the employee to file with his or her federal income tax return. Copy C. To the employee for his records. Copy D. Kept by the employee for his records. Copy 1. To the state taxing agency summarized on the state version of Form W-3. Copy 2. To the employee to file with his state tax return. Use quarterly and annual forms to report wages and pay taxes. Form 941, employees' quarterly federal tax return. Form 940 is an annual report used to pay federal unemployment taxes. So I want to see if, like in the contractor's manual, I can't remember if you can look up forms here and it will show you where to go. Let's see. Let me see here. Forms, yeah, it has forms, but it doesn't give you like the specific forms to go to, because if you go, let me pull out my contractor's manual real quick. If you go to the contractor's manual index, it will actually show you. Hopefully you guys can see that. There you go. Let me see if it shows at the under forms. If you go to F, it will show you the exact forms and what page. So like 940, 941, 944. It doesn't do that in the Builder's Guide to Accounting. I like to use, when I give it a form question, the contractor's manual. But you can find it here in the Builder's Guide to Accounting as well. Okay, last thing. Summarized below are the federal tax form most builders need for their payroll accounting. Form W-2, Form W-3, Form W-4, Form 8109, Form 508, Form 940, and Form 941. Some types of payments to include on your 1099 are dividends or interest over $10 in 1 year, and rents, commissions, and other types of miscellaneous income over $600. You pay someone other than your material suppliers. And that's going to be it for chapter 11. If you guys have any questions, you can message me on WhatsApp, and you're interested in joining the course, the link is down below.